Got that crossover gasket in. It's right there. You can read the part number. Yeah. 66813/09. I ain't sure what all years it works for, but if you got a crossover underneath your bike, it's gonna need it, especially if you're doing any exhaust work. So anyways, got them on. It's pretty even, done 1/4 of an inch. So anyways, we're moving along. Anyways, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. That crossover goes right there. You can see that there. Anyways, yeah. Next will be the handlebars and the front fender. Anyways, moving along. Thanks for watching.